Happy Friday, everybody. It's celebration assembly time. Let's see who's getting my certificates today.
Let's begin our certificates with Poppy. Poppy, you have been doing great work in maths, looking at the number 9 and the number 10. In Wotton B, Lilith and Albert, they've shown real kindness and team spirit, working together on a game of number dominoes. They helped each other to work out the pieces and even tidied it up beautifully. Ella has been trying incredibly hard in phonics, especially to learn and write the letter F. Well done, Ella. Last week, Rufus received a certificate from me. He showed such creativity and resilience with his robots, using a variety of techniques to bring his designs to life. It's Ariadne's turn this week for demonstrating fantastic learning behaviours. Ariadne, you are always paying attention, trying your hardest, and even innovating a text map all on your own at home. Well done. In Allington, Casper has been doing some fantastic listening. You remembered all the stages of the Three Bears storytelling, Casper. And Oscar B has been doing some amazing maths, showing some fantastic reasoning skills. On to Key Stage 2 now. Ocean, you are receiving a certificate for showing kindness. You always use your manners and you go out of your way to be kind to others. What a pleasure to have you in the class, Ocean. Well done. James, I'm really pleased to be able to give you a certificate for having a super week. You've been respectful towards others and had a very positive attitude towards your learning. Amazing. From Year 4, Ellie May, you continuously demonstrate our value of resilience, especially when faced with challenges in your learning. And Devon, you demonstrate a brilliant attitude towards answering questions and learning new skills in all of your subjects. Freya, I'm delighted to see that your focus and improvement in your writing has been rewarded. And Joshua, your continuous approach of respectful learning at all times is brilliant to see. Well done. Dax, you have taken great responsibility with your learning this week. You did a fantastic retelling of the time-slip scarab beetle after only one reading. That sounds a very interesting story. Tallulah, you have a certificate for always showing respect to adults and other children, demonstrating you're ready to learn and are always listening. What a great role model to everyone around you. Keaton, you've been really resilient with your map work this week. You spent a long time identifying cities and countries on a map of Egypt. I think your teachers were particularly impressed with your determination to keep trying even when you found it difficult. In Year 6, Stanley has a certificate for an improved and excellent attitude towards the Daily Mile. Stanley, you've developed your ability to run at a very steady pace for a prolonged time period, improving your fitness and stamina as a result. What a great Daily Mile runner role model you are. Blanche, you are also here for your positive and determined attitude towards running the Daily Mile. You could keep running forever. Blanche, you're also here because you're an excellent role model to everybody. Polite, trustworthy, respectful and responsible. Archie, you continue to show a responsible, respectful attitude towards your learning, and you are always demonstrating our value of integrity. Lila, I'm so pleased to see you have a very positive attitude towards your learning and the resilience to always try your best and stretch your ability to its full potential. Well done, Lila. For our reflection time this week, look at this beautiful picture of the Jurassic Coast. How wonderful to have such a fantastic place right on our doorstep. I'd like you to take a moment to think about the things that have gone really well this week. What do you personally feel very proud of? And what do you think you might want to work on next week?
Fantastic job to all of you who've got a certificate today. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you on Monday, where we have a very special celebration assembly focusing just on our value for this half term, which is respect. So I'll see you then. Bye for now. Have a lovely weekend.